Hello friends, today we are going to see the important formulas of soil mechanics. So in soil mechanics, we know the three-phase system. So three-phase system like solids, water and air. So we can derive into three parts. First one is volume of solids, then volume of water, then volume of air. So next one is combination of volume of voids and volume of solids. So if the voids are there, so both water and air is available. So if case of fully saturated soil, the volume of voids equal to volume of water because in saturated soil there is no air voids. Okay, so there is no air content. If case of dry soil, so the volume of voids equal to volume of air because in dry soil there is no water. So next one is the both combination of solids, water and air. So it's called total volume. So from that relationship, we can derive into many formulas like void ratio, porosity, and air content, degree of saturation, percentage of air voids, then water content like that. So first void ratio. So void ratio is denoted as E. So it is called volume of voids to the volume of solids. So the amount of voids present in the solids is called void ratio. So then porosity N, it's denoted as N. So the volume of voids present in the total volume of soil sample. Next one is air content. So the air content means the amount of air present in the volume of voids. So how much amount of air present in the volume of voids, it is called air content. So next one is degree of saturation. Degree of saturation is denoted as S. So the volume of water to the volume of voids. So the how much amount of water present in the voids into 100 because the degree of saturation is denoted in percentage. So into 100. So then percentage of air voids. So how much percentage of air voids in total volume? So the amount of the volume of air divided by total volume of solid samples into 100. So this is a percentage of air voids. Then water content is weight relationship. So the weight of water present in the weight of solids into 100, this is called water content. So the percentage of water content. So from those things we can derive into another formulas like important formulas. E into S equal to W into G. So E is void ratio, S is degree of saturation, W is water content and G is specific gravity. So specific gravity G equal to gamma of solids divided by gamma of known materials that are like water. So next formula is the main formula is gamma equal to G plus E into S into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. This is general formula. So from this general formula we can derive into gamma D, then gamma saturation and gamma dash. So gamma dash submerged unit weight. So gamma D is equal to, so whenever gamma D, the water content is 0. So from that equation, so dry soil, the water content degree of saturation is will be 0 because of there is no water. So the formula in the entire term will be 0. So G into gamma W divided by 1 plus E is the formula. So whenever the saturation, the fully saturated soil, S equal to 1 because the volume of voids equal to volume of water. So the degree of saturation will be 1. So the volume of voids and the volume of water equal to two values are same. So two values are cancelled equal to 1. So Z plus E into 1 into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. So next we know the formula. So gamma submerged equal to gamma saturation minus gamma W. So from that we can find out. So gamma W, so from the saturation we only having G plus E. So G minus 1 into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. This is a formula. So another important formula, so gamma D is equal to gamma divided by 1 plus W. So these are all the formulas we can use widely in soil mechanics, solving the soil mechanics problems. Then next one is relative density. So relative density ID equal to, so E max minus E divided by E max minus E minimum. So this is E max, it's a maximum Y ratio, and E minus E Y ratio, then maximum Y ratio and minimum Y ratio. So the Y ratio is, there is no upper limit, but the Y ratio will not be 0. Okay. So next one is initial Y ratio. EW is equal to W, E not equal to W into G. So for initial Y ratio, there is no degree of saturation. So that's why E not equal to W into Z. So these are all the formulas we can widely use to solving the soil mechanics problems in three-phase system. Thank you.